Hi, I'm Karen. This video is for auditors assigned to an ACP audit case and is part 1 of 3 videos showing you how to complete audit tasks in Tessa. There is also a separate video for auditors showing you how to access audit data after the audit is initiated, as well as how to create audit recommendations at the end of an audit. For more information about the audit process, please refer to our website. So, what happens after an ACP audit of certificate batches has been initiated? In the next few minutes, I will impersonate an auditor. I will upload the detailed scope of work as well as upload the sampling files. I would have received an email notification from Tessa advising members in my organization who have a Tessa login that there are tasks awaiting action. I've logged into Tessa as an auditor and I have arrived on the landing page. At any point in time, I can look at my audit case data by clicking on My Cases, finding my audit case. I can search by keyword. I can see any documents attached to the case. In this example, this is a post-registration audit. If this was a pre-registration audit instead, you would see supporting documents such as the implementation data at the top of the document. To download the document, just click on the link and then you see a pop-up appear depending on your browser. I can see a snapshot of my variables for the case, and if I scroll down, I will see in the related table section the certificate batches involved in this audit, the implementation data, and any audit recommendations previously made. To export the data, I can click on the little hamburger and export to Excel. I can do this for certificate batches as well. Now let's go to My Tasks. I do this by clicking on the My Tasks widget. This shows me the list of tasks assigned to my organization. The first 2 tasks I need to complete are the document submission and the sampling data tasks where the state is open. Please note that any of the contacts in my organization who have a login to Tessa can action these tasks, not just the lead auditor. Let's open the first task. I can see the instructions from iPad. I can upload any documents by clicking on the Add Attachments button. Browse and select your file. You may select multiple files by holding down the Shift key and selecting other documents, and click Open. I can see those attachments at the top. I now need to click the Commit Documents to Submission checkbox to move the documents to this table, so then I can attach a document type. I do this by clicking on the Edit Row pencil, and a pop-up appears. Select your document type. You can type in a document note and click Save. If I have made a mistake and I need to delete an attachment, I click on the Edit, I delete my file, and then I need to click on Commit Documents to Submission again to clear out the entry. I can then reattach any new documents if I need to. Let's continue attaching document types. If I am not yet ready to submit my task, I can scroll down the bottom and I can click the Save button to save my progress and come back at another time. I can then go back into My Tasks, find the task, and this time I'll submit a response. I now need to submit a sampling data task. As before, I can see the iPad instructions. I can then fill in the relevant fields. I can select from the selection of samples, and I can select several values. I can type in some further information and then upload my sampling data tiers by clicking the Upload button. Browse and select my file, click Open. If I've selected the wrong file, I can hit Delete and upload another file. As before, I can save my progress or I can submit my task. This time, let's submit. So what happens next? The submitted tasks and any uploaded documents are now awaiting review by iPart. If iPart require additional clarification or information about a task I have submitted, then the task will be reopened with additional instructions. Or if there are other new tasks awaiting action, I and any members of my organization will receive an email notification. At any point in time, I can always go back to my tasks to view the status of the tasks, as well as open up any task to see what I have submitted. Open tasks are awaiting my action. I can always filter by right-clicking and selecting Show Matching or Filter Out. In this case, let's do Show Matching. It shows me all my open tasks. My task list is automatically sorted by the created date. Submitted tasks are ones that I've already submitted. Once iPart have reviewed a task and have approved it, the status of the task changed to Approve. When the audit process moves to the next phase, the state of the task changes to Closed. Let's recap. This is the first of 3 videos showing you how to complete audit tasks in Tessa. I logged in as an auditor. After the audit case was initiated in Tessa, I received an email notification of tasks to be performed. I then submitted the document submission task, as well as the sampling data task.